Now that we have finished with the E sounds, E beginning sounds, we get to wo, wo. The O in Chinese is pronounced wo. Here it's how we have to pronounce it with the four tones. So first tone, wo, wo. Second, wo, wo. Third, wo, wo. Fourth, wo, wo. With the fourth tone, wo. When pairing this character, we can use it to express surprise, like when we don't believe something has happened. We're really surprised, dazzled by what happened. Or then we have O plus U. O plus U becomes O, O, O. First tone, O, O. This character, pronounced O, is the abbreviation used for Europe. 欧元 Euro, the currency. 欧洲 Europe, the country. Since there are not so many endings with the U sound, we can get really fast to the U sound. The U sound, as it is for the E sound, is a really weak vowel, so it can't stay by himself when at the beginning of a syllable. So whenever this sound has to be used at the beginning of a syllable, it is substituted by the W's letter. But this W is still pronounced as U. It is just a bit sliding towards the U sound. So U, 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 U.